This is a VoCoVo keypad. Your keypad has a touch-sensitive button on the front. This button can be customised with up to 8 options. For example, we've got till roll, change and general call. When you press a keypad button, your colleagues will hear a notification through their VoCoVo headset or handset. This message tells them what type of request you sent and where you are. Use the menu option to access callbacks and press the push to talk button to be connected to your colleague. You can have a two-way conversation with them using your keypad's mic and speaker. There are 2 volume buttons. You can use them to adjust the keypad's speaker volume. Finally, the speech bubble button. You can press this to cancel your request for help. Taking care of your keypad couldn't be easier. Just wipe it down with an antibacterial wipe and you're good to go. For any further assistance, please contact your support help desk.